Appendices in a thesis are sections at the end where you include extra information that supports your research but isn't essential in the main text. They help keep your thesis organized and focused while providing readers with additional details if they want to explore further. To research and include appendices, start by identifying what content is helpful but not critical for the main discussion. For example, if you conducted surveys, you can include the full questionnaire in the appendix instead of placing it in the main body. Similarly, raw data, detailed calculations, or large tables can go in the appendix. For instance, Appendix A contains the complete data set used for statistical analysis. Appendices are also useful for visual materials like charts, graphs, or images that are too large or detailed for the main thesis. For example, Appendix B includes photographs of the experimental setup. When adding appendices, label them clearly, e.g., Appendix A, Appendix B, and refer to them in the main text. For instance, the survey questions are provided in Appendix A. This ensures readers know where to find the extra information. In summary, appendices provide a space for supplementary materials, making your thesis clear and comprehensive without overwhelming the main text.